Hello friends, welcome to our new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make origami shirts. All we need is some colored paper. So let's start. We're going to fold this paper into 4 equal halves. That is, first we'll fold it into half, make a crease, then open it up, pick one side of the square and fold it inwards, and the side of the square should lie exactly on the center of the bigger square. And let's do the same on the other side too. And we'll fold this into half. That is this way. Folding it into half, making a crease. Let's open it up and pick about 1 centimeter of the paper and fold it backwards. And we'll take this corner and we're going to make a crease along this line. Right from the center crease to the corner. And we're going to make sure that this corner is going to lie just onto the center of the middle crease. We'll do the same on the other side.
Let's make a crease.
Now, from the center of the crease, we're going to fold this paper outwards. We're going to do the same on the other side. Now we'll pick this paper up and we're going to tuck this paper into the collars of our shirt. Tuck it in. Let's put a finger, pull the shirt out and make a crease. And we're done. You could actually draw on a pocket or just add stripes to the shirt just to make it look fancy. Or you could add a heart onto the collar. And this is one creative way to write a message to your loved ones. And we can tuck this inside and lock it up. If you like the video, please subscribe, share, comment, and give it a big thumbs up. And be creative.